Letters number 6 and 7 of the Russian alphabet look similar, but they're different letters. This is letter Y, like in the word yes. It's used quite frequently in the Russian language, for example, in words like еда, ежевика, and this is letter Yo. We use it in words like ёршик or ёж. Both letters are very easy to write by hand because letter Y is just like the English E, and letter Yo is exactly the same way, except it has 2 dots above it. Many native speakers do not put the 2 dots above Yo, but they still know how to pronounce words correctly. This is not something that's recommended for the students of Russian to avoid mispronouncing words. So today we talked about the Ye and Yo. Tomorrow we're going to look at the next 2 letters. See you then!